defense lawyer. He would say, I never sentence anybody to custody for something I can see I'm doing myself. And so it was a great place to be. And I kind of had that. It wasn't the red straw wall theory then. I later kind of backfilled it. But I always had that feeling that there were a lot of cases, like to be in a room where marijuana was smoked, other kinds of cases where I just couldn't quite understand how you prosecuted somebody like that, how you could divorce yourself from the humanity. I just always felt like, and I think part of it's my Armenian heritage, I always felt like I identified more with the underdog than the authority figures. So I turned down Steve Cooley's offer. Steve was not the DA then, but he was a hiring deputy, and he offered to hire me. And I thought about it and then passed and went into practice with the old man. And back then was kind of the heyday for criminal defense because you could do court appointments. And in the 80s, you could just go down to the third floor of the criminal courts building and you'd ask judges to appoint you, and they would appoint you on serious felony cases. Now, how else are you going to get felony cases straight out of law school? Nobody's going to hire you. They certainly are, But I just took every court appointment I could. And I did it for years and tried the cases, did the prelims, until one day I remember I got a check from the county, and it had been issued by Judge Mayerson, who I later was very fond of. He passed away recently.